Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a new view in Airtable. So Airtable is a really powerful tool, and you can use views to basically look at and process data differently without changing the main data. So I like to think of a view like a window. You can look at a window from different spots and see different things, right? So let me share my screen with you here. And we got some data right here. And so the views are all on the left-hand side here in this column. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of views going on here right now. We have the regular grid view that looks like an Excel spreadsheet. And we also have a calendar view. Sometimes people like to look at the data differently, and calendar views are great for that. So say we want to process this a little differently. We have a lot of different actions that have taken on each of these projects, and maybe we want to see all the ones that did not make it on YouTube, right? So to make a new view where we just isolate those projects that didn't go on YouTube, we would go up here to grid view and hit the three dots to the right of that. And we can, well, actually let's start a whole new one. Let's create a whole new one. You go down here to grid, you hit the plus sign. Okay, and let's rename it. Let's say not on YouTube. Okay. All right. So right now, this view has no filters, no groups. It hasn't been sorted any differently. So what we need to do is use a filter. Okay. So we're going to click on filter and we're going to add filters. Filters are super fun. Sometimes they can be a little confusing. But what we're going to do is we want to know which projects did not go on YouTube. So where YouTube is not checked, because essentially that means that the team member didn't get to it and didn't click on it. So if it's not checked, let's take a look how the data changed. All right, changed a lot. So we went from 59 projects, and now we only have 12 here. So there's quite a few that didn't make it onto YouTube yet. All right, it looks like we have all of these guys. But let's see. It looks like we've had some from over the summer. Let's see if we can get more updated material. So we can add another filter. Add filter. And you can use an and or an or. Let's go by shoot date. And shoot date is before today. Okay, so now we're taking out all the future projects. All right, so now we're down to 8 projects that are not on YouTube that have been shot before today. So now we know that these all need to be uploaded on YouTube. So we better get going on that. All right, so that's how you can create a view and apply a couple different filters. It's a really cool tool, and we can go over different ways to group your data as well for our next video.